English Shortened Senior, August 2019. Start. Mr. Speaker, sir, I am glad that many honorable members have taken keen interest in the review of the working of the plan during the last 1 or 2 years. When we formulate a plan, we give a sketch of the lines on which we want to advance the dimensions of the plan as a whole, the measures which are necessary for carrying out the various programs, and so on. But at the same time, the fact that there is a plan does not mean that it is, of course, is set for a period of 5 years and it will move on automatically to a certain destination. Many circumstances occur from time to time and some changes take place in various sectors and the economy as a whole. Even to begin with, there are many kinds of uncertainty in our country. First, there are the forces of nature. In particular, we have to bear in mind the monsoon. There are also international factors. We have to depend to some extent upon assistance from other countries. As a matter of fact, it is ultimately the responsibility of the millions of people of the country. The progress of the plan depends not upon the work done by a few people in the planning commission or in the secretariat, but on the whole, it depends mainly on how far we are able to go about. Many our people are unorganized. All these are elements of uncertainty. It is only natural that the House wants to know how the plan has fared during the past year, the difficulties which have come in this way, what changes have to be made, and the prospectus for the future. This is a proper occasion for a review of the working of the plan in the course of the last 1.5 years, and there may be many other occasions for a review of its progress. It is necessary because the plan has become the basis for economic activity in all parts of the country. So, if there are difficulties in the implementation of the plan, it is a matter of concern for all of us. So, there is need for a continuous watch. For this purpose, there are certain tests in relation to which whatever has been achieved or not achieved has to be judged with reference to the expectations and targets of the plan. Now, I would like to draw the attention of the House to the main aims in relation to which we have to examine how far he have advanced and whether that advance is satisfactory or not. Bill, there is the overall review of the economic situation in terms of increase in national income and production, and in the case of the plan, of the structure and the strategy of the plan. What is important is not what we have achieved during a year or two of a plan, but what efforts we have made or what arrangements or preparations have been made so that progress may be accelerated during the coming years in order to attain the expected goals as quickly as possible. That is another way in which we may judge what has happened in the course of a period. Next, I would put employment and social service, including education, health, welfare of the backward classes, social welfare generally, and housing. These are both sectors for development and instruments for raising the standard of living of the people. It is not as if social services mean only just some amount of expenditure. They are in the nature of investment. Letter from Ruby General Stores, Mumbai to Messrs. Pure Dry Fruit Company, Kolkata. Dear sirs, we are very much thankful to you for the prompt dispatch of 50 boxes of Iroquois raisins of 10 kilograms each against our order of the 3rd March 2019. But at the same time, we are sorry to point out that the weight of raisins in each box was found to be 200 to 300 grams short. Moreover, we have to inform you that on scrutiny, the quality of the raisins also appears to be somewhat inferior to that of the samples submitted by you. In this connection, we have to tell you that this consignment was meant for replenishing our stock, which is almost exhausted. So it is needless to inform you that we shall be put to a lot of inconvenience unless these defects are rectified immediately. However, as this is the first time that this has happened in our dealings with you, we would like to inform you that we will be agreeable to accept this consignment if you agree to allow suitable adjustment in price. In the alternative, we have to request you to replace the entire consignment at an early date.